you guys are familiar with the index card method of masking off your tires, it's a lot faster than using masking tape. And you don't have to use index cards, but alright, so since I didn't have any more of these index cards, all I did was take printer paper and fold it in half, and you get the same kind of a... So while I'm shaking this up, okay, basically I'm going by with what the YouTube videos say, and they say to spray light coat first and then let that dry for like 10 or 15 minutes. Alright guys, so I just put my second coat on there, and it's a wet coat. Alright, so I put it on really wet, and that's how you want it. So I just finished my first can, and I got 3 more to go. So I'll return when everything's done, basically. Alright, so we're putting on the last coat, the last layer. Not sure why it's not focusing. There we go. We're putting on the last coat right now. This is the 4th coat, 4th wet coat. Make sure you got your fan going and you got windows open, okay? Because you'll get real lightheaded. You could pass out. So I got my garage door leading to my backyard. I got that open, and I have a fan. So keep it all ventilated. So I'm going on to my last tire. Let's go. This is actually the 3rd can, and I have 1 full can still left, and I'm gonna save that for something else. And that's it. I used 3 cans. I was able to get 4 wet coats put on. Obviously, if your wheels are bigger, my wheels are only 17 inches. I only needed 3 cans to give 4 wet coats, which should be sufficient. And now I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna put the glossifier on there. Alright, so now we're ready for the glossifier. Gonna shake it up, get it put on these tires. Remember, the key to getting the glossifier to actually gloss up your wheels is to put it on heavy coats and slow. So similar to the coats you were putting on your tires, the wet coat, the glossifier always goes on wet and heavy and slow. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna shake it up and we're gonna gloss it up. Ready? Let's go. And there you go. Now, according to Dip Your Car or whatever, that guy Fonzie, he says that 1 solid wet coat is usually all they apply, and that's pretty much all you need to get a glossy effect. So we'll see once this dries. We'll see how it looks. It looks incredibly shiny right now, but we have to wait until it actually dries to see the results. But hopefully 1 coat is enough. It does say you can put additional coats, but it also says not to over apply. So over applying can result in drips and runs, and you don't want that. So just let it dry, and surprisingly I haven't had any drips or any runs. Usually I always end up with some running somewhere on one of the tires, but this time it came out really good, damn near perfect, and so it'll be good to go. So thanks for checking this little tutorial out, and we'll see how it looks with the wheels on tomorrow.